What we have here is a Sista, our 5 kilogram payload collaborative robot, just doing a simple pick and place application on one of our LoadMate Plus bases. And what the LoadMate Plus product line is, they're pre-engineered work cells. They can come in a variety of configurations. They can include no safety, as you see here, safety, a number of different orientations for the robot, including on a 45-degree angle. And also in this particular one, we've got our PLC that's handling the safety and any of the other I/O that we would need within the work cell itself. And these are all Mitsubishi components. A couple of the interesting things about this demo is we have a traditional robot programming language, but we also have a graphical language that not only works for our cobot, but works for all of our robots. And so this application of spelling the different words out was done completely by drag and drop interface. And it makes it very easy for straightforward applications or people that are just new to robots, whether they be collaborative or in our case, industrial robots. And the other feature that we have here is we've integrated a safety laser scanner. And what a safety laser scanner does in production, it allows you to run it without visible safety. And what you have is after you do your risk assessment, you have different zones. So when you're a certain distance away, the robot's running at full speed, and you can see it's running a little faster right now. As I get closer to it, it automatically slows down. And in the case of a collaborative robot, it'll continue to work slowly as I get to it because you're allowed to have that interaction. An industrial robot would stop when I'm in that nearest zone. And as I back out, it automatically speeds back up right where it was. So, that's a great safety feature if you need it. Fortunately for us, that's part of the Safe Plus option. So if you need traditional hard guarding, you don't have to pay for it. But if you do need kind of that dynamic interaction, say you do have to be in and out of the work cell a lot to manually inspect parts or do some other work, it really saves a lot of time and allows you to have that, hands-free operation of getting it back up to speed.